We hit the streets to find out what Chicagoans do to get the most out of their workouts.
So a little bit of cardio, a little bit of Pilates, a little bit of yoga for kind of mind, body, spirit. So trying to vary it up.
Just go in with the right mentality. Just have like an intention or some type of goal that I want out of that specific workout.
I try to incorporate working out into like my daily lifestyle, so I'm always walking, I'm always active.
Gym owner Sean Armstead has even more ideas for those looking for an efficient and effective workout.
Whatever is the most difficult or requires the most focus and concentration should be done early on before you lose quality of movement or focus due to fatigue. Tabata is a high-intensity conditioning mode, so it's 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off for 4 minutes, so that's 8 rounds. So the 10 seconds obviously is easy, the 20 seconds is hard. But the good thing about it is you can get significant changes in your cardiovascular conditioning with relatively low time input and risk. Whatever helps you feel great and motivated in the session to stick and stay, that's what you should do. So often with the technology modes we have now, it's an easy avenue to go down to have music in your session or in your training and feel good and stick and stay into the groove.
For more fitness tips, head to our website, livinghealthytv.com.